In this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can prank your friends with the help of a fake call, and also how you can get rid of a boring meeting, boring party with the help of a fake call. For example, if you are sitting in your friends and the conversation is too boring and you want to go away from that meeting, from that party, or from that anything, if you want to go away, with the help of a fake call you can avoid your friends or guests or anyone. So this video is very interesting, very helpful for you. Do not skip it, must watch it till end. So let's get started. Before moving further, do me a favor, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and select all, because I bring these sort of interesting videos daily. So what we need to do, guys, here is, you can see in my mobile phone screen, I have downloaded an application named Fake Call. You can go into the Play Store and download that application. I must watch this video till end. I will tell you what this application is about. So when you will open this application, its interface will be like that. Here is a dialer, call now, schedule, character, a ringtone, voice. So very first thing, let's talk about the character. Here you can select a character, anything, girlfriend, mom, boyfriend, police, so pizza. So these are the characters already are here. You can choose a character. Actually this character means when, so like I select this character, it means when if I press on call now, you can see I received a fake call by police. So it means the characters you select from these ready-made, you will get a call from these ready-made. But here's an option of dialer where you can name a character, like you can name it Aisha, and here you will simply give a number 0300 468966, like that, anything. And here you can also select a picture and you can add it from your from gallery directly here. So after doing name and picture, you want to get a call from. After making this, we'll just simply done on it, and then there is option of a call now. If you want to make a fake call just right now, we'll just simply tap on call now option. If you want to prank your friend, you will just simply click on that call now option, and you'll ask your friend that look, this is, I'm receiving a call from Aisha, receive it. Okay, so you can prank your friend. Another option is here schedule, where you can set a schedule for 10 seconds, for 30 seconds. Like I selected 10 second, I will receive a call from Aisha. The number and the name I selected out there in the dialer, I will here you saw I received a fake call. Here's another option of ringtone, where we can select a ringtone. There is a set default. If you press on the select default ringtone, the ringtone you have selected onto your cell phone will remain the same, and you can also select a specific ringtone by pressing on the other option. Here's another option of voice. So this is very much important. If you want to prank your friend with the fake call, you can add a voice here. Just simply record a voice of anyone and give some gaps, like hello, give a gap, and how are you, give a gap. So with the gaps that after make a recording and then add that recording here, it means when you will when you give your cell phone to your friend that I'm getting a call from that person, just talk to him or talk to her. When he will receive the call, that recording will be started, and he will think that he is doing a original call. So it's a very interesting application, fake call. With the help of this, if you are feeling bored while sitting in a party with your friends and guests or anywhere, you can just simply schedule 1 minute and after 1 minute you will get a fake call, and with the help of that fake call you can get rid of that party. And by selecting a recording, you can also prank your friends. So that's all for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.